We got a package today, y'all, from right there, Flatface Fingerboards. Okay, guys, I bought a Flatface Fingerboard. If you don't know what that is, it is a wooden tech deck. Not just a tech deck though. A tech deck is made out of plastic. Also, tech decks technically is a company name. So when they say, hey, do you have a tech deck, what they really mean is, do you have a fingerboard? But tech deck is just, you know, it's pretty famous. I used to make fingerboards back in the day, back in high school, back in 2010, 2011. These are some of the boards that I would make right here. And Holy Love Fingerboards was the company name. My boards, even though I like how they look, the aesthetics of it, they're not professional boards. And you might be like, well, what do you mean professional? My shape of the boards that I make aren't consistent. So that's why I bought a Flatface Fingerboards. I haven't bought a professional fingerboard in probably, I want to say 10 years. Wait, what is this? Oh, look. So I'm excited right now. I'm just super juiced. Let's just start taking some stuff out. So he threw in some Flatface Fingerboard stickers. You know, you can't go wrong right there. Flatface Fingerboards. This was, I think, his original sticker that he came out with. So I feel the board right here, man. Yo, my guy, that is nice. All I asked was, can I get a beautiful board? A beautiful board. That's all I want. Nothing else in the box or in the bag. Flatface Fingerboards. Yeah. So this is the G15 33.6 millimeters. All right. You guys could take a look. You look at all this. Mike Schneider. I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the board. Oof, man, nasty. The packaging is super nice. I like, you know, this the fingerboard. You know what I'm saying? Just a little fun. So this is the Flatface G15. Wow, I haven't held a Flatface. The last Flatface I got, y'all, was Flatface G12. All right, I am well pleased. I am well pleased on how this board looks. The shape is consistent. This board I have, no, this is probably looking like a goldish, but there's definitely a difference. The shape on my boards are inconsistent, and the shapes on these boards are a lot more consistent. There's a little black thing right there, you know, just saying, Mike Schneider. You know, not to critique on the little things, but literally it's the little things. Yeah, so holes are drilled perfect, countersunks. Let's get this board set up. So I do have bearing wheels, but these are some of the cheapo bearing wheels. This is what we got. Later on, we might invest into some you know, flat face wheels, which are like 40 bucks, y'all. It's ridiculous just for the wheels, man. These are the trucks that we're using here. So let's just get started. Let's just put it together. Yeah. Alright, y'all, back at it. So this is the setup, man. We got the wheels, the trucks, and we got the grip. The grip isn't the correct size, so we do have to buy some grip so that it extends. But yeah, this board feels super nice, y'all. There's a big difference between this board and the ones that I make. So this was my Holy Love board right here with the Last Supper board. And they're nice. I like them. There is a complete different feel to the board. My fingers, they feel even, so I like that my fingers could sink into the board. That's a plus. The concave is nice. The shape of the board is nice. This is the unboxing of a $35 board. Just the board, man. So we're gonna end the video now and give you a little montage, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, comment, like, and subscribe. Peace.